Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace. All right. As you can see here, I have my Squarespace website opened. Now, what we're going to do to transfer the domain is just basically click on the gear icon right here at the bottom. Click on it. All right. If you haven't yet, make sure to sign in right here. All right. Click on the settings. Now, in here, under settings, you're going to want to click on domain and email. Click on it. Now, in here, just click on domains. As you can see here, there are two options, which is get a domain or use a domain I own. So we're going to want to click on use a domain I own. Click on it. As you can see here, you can go ahead and enter your pre-owned domain. Like say, for example, right here, just tap on enter on your keyboard or click on this arrow key right here and wait for it to load. And as you can see here, the lazydaddy.com registered with Enom on January 31, 2025. Now, you can go ahead and click on this one right here if it was registered past 60 days. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one right here, connect domain. All right. You can go ahead and choose this one if you want to connect the domain to your Squarespace website and continue to manage it separately. All right. Just click on this one right here as I don't have the option. All right. Now, we're going to want to select the provider in here. So as the title suggests, we would want to select GoDaddy. All right. I'm going to click on GoDaddy right here and simply hit on connect domain. As you can see here, the lazydaddy.com, which is the domain name, is connecting to your site. So hit on continue. And as you can see here, the connection is still in progress. It may take up to 72 hours to finish the connection process. Now, as you can see here, the provider, GoDaddy, SSL certificate, it's still processing as well. Now, Google Workspace, if you want to add your Google Workspace right here, just click on add. And also you have the option to disconnect the domain. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.